Okay guys, Renault Scenic 1.5 diesel 2011. We had the Misfire. Like I told you, I was suspecting to be the injector. I managed to replace it now. Start the engine. The car is running absolutely fine. There is no misfire anymore. Everything is running sweet. Cylinder number 1, injector. It's faulty. Now we're gonna plug the machine to see what we have. And this is the old injector, like this. And we managed to buy one the same part number. If you don't want to do the programming on it, it's better to buy the same part number. Now we go check if we have something left here. Car is running sweet now, no issues. Now let's see, we have the trouble codes for the last time. We have to delete them and see. Should be, yeah, this is memory, so it's not active anymore, which is good. Go here, I'm gonna delete the codes. I have to switch off the engine. The battery was flat. Go here and up here. Okay, this is history, so we go back. We have to clean the fault. Engine on, ignition on, engine stop. Completed. That's it. Let's see if it's gonna start. Key out. Starting sweet, fast. You don't have that. If you check my previous videos, I made a video how the car was starting. Let's go out from here. The engine light is not anymore. We have only that key. We have to reset the service on it, and I'm gonna read it one more time. Have the service required. That one is the spanner. So we go here. Have only this code left. It doesn't have nothing to do. Everything looks normal. So guys, if you have this kind of problems like a misfire, and this is something common on these cars. So after you check the wiring and you see nothing is happening, nothing is changing, be sure it's about an injector. It's happening all the time on these engines. So job done, happy customer, running sweet, and that's it. Thanks for watching guys.